tough.
Yeah.
Initial incision.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
There was a reminder.
Oh, there's
Watch
fur.
out for your teeth.
Oh,
Yeah.
baby.
Well,
The rattlesnake things.
It's quite big.
Wow.
The size of this snake. Ooh, there's the guts.
Wow.
The stomach lining.
Whoa.
Can you smell anything?
I cannot, no. It's pretty clean. I'm trying not to.
Oh my goodness.
That's a fairly big.
It's fairly big. I wish I had some tweezers. Try not to. Oh, my feet get a bit.
Ew. I can smell it.
Oh, well, my sense of smell is pretty dull.
Can everybody see okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Just want to make sure I'm not blocking anybody.
We can just watch your video screen too.
I wonder if you cut that end, you can squeeze it out.
Yeah, I think I probably could.
Confirmation of mammal so far, right?
Yep.
Looks like furry.
Okay, let's see if we can just do that.
Oh,
Oh my
yeah.
god, it's huge.
That's yucky.
That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like inside cuddles.
Wow. That
I
is
think
a
we're
big
still gonna have to
creature.
cut it.
I think so too.
Do still be careful of the front of the snake.
Yeah. There it is.
Oh,
Now
wow.
we're cooking with oil.
That's the.
There's the head. That's it.
What is it?
I don't know yet.
It's a seal.
It's
Oh, it's got big ears.
like
Wow.
a rat?
Oh my god, it's huge.
Oh my goodness!
Look at that.
It had like just
Oh
my
my
goodness.
I think it's a mole.
Where are the hands?
Rather big to
Can
be
you unfold those?
There's its
It's a mole.
feet.
There's a little hand.
Yeah.
That's a mole?
No, it would have bigger feet than that. So come look at there was a
That looks like a rat.
Yeah, it looks like a red to me.
You can see.
Look at that long face.
It's probably the eyes are probably gone. And there's quite big.
What's the tail? Does it have a tail?
Yeah,
It does have a short tail.
Yeah, it looks like
A short furred tail.
furred tail.
Yeah, it looks like.
Is it furry?
It looks pretty furry.
Not a mole because the moles have the big.
I mean, it might just be the normal kind of rat type fur. Like they're all a little bit. I feel
Yeah.
like we need to have
Let's-
this photo
See
too.
the hands again?
Yeah. Somebody.
head.
I watch the head like this. There.
Oh my
Look at
goodness.
that.
This is
Inside.
spectacular.
No.
Can we try and see the face a little better maybe?
Yeah.
Let's look at the dentition. Can we open his mouth?
I think we probably could. Yeah.
Oh, there we go. That's
Can we
teeth.
cut it
Oh
open and
my
see
gosh.
what it just ate?
Is that gopher?
Yeah, okay.
I was thinking it might be a gopher.
I won't. I'm very.
It's certainly large enough.
Oh wow.
I wanted it to be a ghost. He totally did. That's why he's still going.
That's intense.
Is he a pocket gopher?
I won't touch his
Maybe
name.
It's also really squishy.
That looks like a gopher.
It does look
It's
like
just
a
the
gopher.
claws that would want to be a little bigger, but a baby gopher's claws might not be. But
Yeah.
the tail's right on. And
Yeah.
So there's the foot.
It's obviously a rodent.
Does it have cheek pouches?
That's what I was wondering.
Because you can put a little stick in the cheek pouches and pull them out.
Well, that was.
Ears are a little bigger than I expected, but there you go.
It's hard. It's like it's definitely.
And you have
Do
to
we have
get
another
all the
little-
back.
You need another
I
little
think
From the back,
I don't know. I don't have my
because when they go forward, they don't want to fill them up with dirt.
Oh, yeah.
They put their food back there, and so.
Okay.